In this video, we'll talk about adding and subtracting integers. Addition is a mathematical expression with a plus sign between numbers. We have positive 4, we have negative 7, and we have plus sign in between. So this is addition. Subtraction is an expression with a minus sign between numbers. We have positive 4, we have negative 7, and in between we have a negative sign. So this is subtraction. When you add integers, the first question that you have to ask yourself is, if the sign's same? If yes, then you just need to add the absolute values of addends and use the common sign. For example, we have 5 plus 3. And 5 and 3s are positive numbers. I know they are positive because I don't have negative signs before the numbers. If you do not have a negative sign, or if you have a positive sign before, then they are positive numbers. Okay, the absolute value. So just look at the numbers without any signs. It's 5, it's 3. Add 5 and 3. It's 8, and the common sign or the common value is positive. So the answer is positive 8. For another example, negative 5 plus negative 3. Okay, again, absolute values are the numbers without the signs. So just look at the numbers 5 and 3. When you add 5 and 3, they are 8. They make 8. And the common sign is negative. So the answer is negative 8. If the signs are different, then you have to subtract the smaller absolute value from the greater absolute value. The order doesn't matter. Just subtract the smaller value from the greater value and use the sign of the number with a greater absolute value. For example, 5 plus negative 3. Just compare the numbers, not the signs. So this is 5, this is 3. 5 is greater than 3. So 5 minus 2, that is 2. And what's the sign of the greater value? That's positive. 5 is greater and is positive number. So the answer is positive 2. Another example, negative 5 plus 3. Again, just drop the signs and think about the numbers only. 5 and 3. 5 is greater than 3. So subtract 3 from 5. The difference is 2. And the sign of the greater absolute value is negative. Negative 5. 5 is greater and the sign is negative. So the answer is negative 2. For subtracting, you have to change the subtraction sign to addition first. And also change the sign of the number behind the subtraction. So you have to make two changes. The subtraction sign to addition and the sign of the number after the subtraction sign. Example, 5 minus negative 3. So you have to change subtraction sign and negative to positive. It's going to be 5 plus, minus becomes plus, and negative becomes positive. So we have 5 plus 3. The answer is positive 8. One more example, negative 5 minus negative 3. Be careful not to change the sign of the first number. The first number remains the same all the time. And change the minus sign to plus. Change the negative number to positive number. Then we got negative 5 plus 3. Again, look at the absolute values again. We have different signs in addition. So subtract 3 from 5. The difference is 2. And the sign of the greater absolute value is negative. So the answer is negative 2. We'll practice more.